Court is calling 2021 CR 2745, State of Texas versus Davis Alexander Villegas. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Travis Banks in the state of Texas.
Defense?
Raymond Bell for the defense.
All right. And are you Davis Alexander Villegas?
That's me, man.
I'm going to show you what's entitled Motion to Revoke Community Supervision and states motion to supplement pending motion to revoke probation. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
My attorney, yes, he showed it to me.
All right. Are you the same Davis Alexander Villegas who was placed on community supervision in 2021 CR 2745 for the offense of assault, bodily injury, married cohabitation on April 11, 2022 for a term of 2 years? Is that you?
Correct.
All right. State.
Related condition number 2, on or about the, and this is from the first motion to revoke.
Okay.
On or about the 31st day of March, 2023 in Bexar County, Texas, the defendant Davis Alexander Villegas, defendant there, failed to submit to drug testing as directed by the court officer, supervision officer, or a duly authorized agent of the court in violation of condition number 2.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
He true.
All right. State.
The state will waive and abandon the other violations.
Any objections?
Objection, Your Honor.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 2, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, sentence you up to $4,000 fine and up to 1 year in the Bexar County jail? Did you understand?
This is correct.
No, did
Yes,
you
Your
understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 2?
That's correct, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
All right, the court will find violation of condition number 2 true. Is there an agreement?
Somewhat, Your Honor. I think the agreement is that he be revoked. The state is asking the court to sentence him to 1 year in the Bexar County jail. And I'll let defense.
All right,
And
defense.
Judge, that's correct. We're just asking the court consider sentencing him, performing the sentence to 6 months. Mr. Vegas makes no excuses for what he did, made a choice, quite frankly. He missed and then he got scared and chose not to keep coming back in. He's had a lot of time to think about it, Judge. He's been sitting in jail now for about 61 days, 62 days. And he's determined, given his circumstances, that it's best to grant the motion at this point and assess some jail time. He would just ask the court consider reforming the sentence to the 6 months as opposed to the year.
All right, anything you wish to say, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
Can
Yes.
you raise your right hand?
Right hand.
Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
All right, you can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
David Villegas.
Yes, what would you like to say?
I would like to say thank you for the offer of probation. I did relapse on alcohol, and which gave me I'm gonna be truthfully and honest with you. And that's the reason why I didn't go report. I was going through a little bit of difficulty in life, and my choice was to look for a way out with drinking, and that was my choice, which led to I didn't report. So I just wanted to be honest with the court. You know what? So after this, I'm able to go back to living my regular life and able to work and be a positive, productive member of society.
But you cannot go back to living your regular life because your regular life is gang affiliation and it's drugs. And from when I first, my mind is a steel trap. When I first sentenced you, from that day to now, you are looking a little bit worse for wear because you've lost more weight and you're using more than just alcohol.
That's correct, ma'am. I did relapse on methamphetamine.
What no? I mean, you just threw out alcohol. You didn't say anything about meth. So you have an issue. All right.
Okay.
So I'm going to give you a choice. Here are your choices. Let me see how long you've been on.
About 2 years, Judge.
All right. I can continue you and send you to SATA. But I'm not sure. Vashawn, will SATA take him for gang affiliation? Ah.
That's been part of the problem, Judge.
Is there any place else that would take him? Because he's on misdemeanor probation and he only has about a year remaining. Yeah, we can't extend him. That's a problem. Will ISF take him?
No, Your
No.
Honor. State ISF, yes, Your Honor, they'll take them.
All right. So you have a choice, and this is your choice. One, if you truly want help with your drug problem, then I will send you to state ISF. I will continue you. Or two, I will sentence you in the Bexar County Jail to 1 year. Either way, your time is going to pass. So which would you prefer?
I prefer to get help, man.
Okay.
Sitting in the jail?
No.
Month wait.
Yeah, you're gonna wait for transfer.
Yes. I know, I think it's about 30 days, Judge, give or take.
Yes.
Your Honor, he will need to be extended for that program as well.
We can't extend him.
So,
I mean, can they just start treatment with him?
can you just give me just maybe 5 minutes?
Sure. Just give us a moment. And then after this case, we're going to take up the case with the interpreter, and that is Fernando Sanchez. I tell you what, if you all will step back a moment, let me take up this case and then I'll come back to your case. Fernando Sanchez. Okay. No problem. Okay, we'll see what happens. Okay. All right, and who is the prosecutor on? Ah, there you are. Hello, good morning. All right, we're not on the record. So where are we on this case? Because I have that today's special crimes was to make a decision on its case.
Yes, we're ready to proceed, Judge. We're ready for trial. I believe defense counsel needs time to review discovery.
Well, no, I mean, has an offer been tendered?
Yes.
An offer was tendered this morning, Judge, and my client surrendered and posted bond, I think about a month ago, maybe less than a month ago, thereabouts. And so I did receive discovery last week, voluminous,
Okay.
like a lot. Mainly videos, but there is some written documentary discovery that was also provided. I need some more time to look at all of that and go over it with my client. I mean, I haven't even gone over it with him.
All right, we're going to recall this in 30 days. That will be for you to review whatever discovery you need to review. And then after that, it's going to be a jury trial date. And I'm assuming this case is driving the vehicle.
Yes, Judge.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, can I have a 30-day reset on Fernando Sanchez?
September 5th.
All right, we'll be back on September 5th. And has he spoken to an immigration attorney?
Not that I'm aware of, Judge.
All right, are you appointed?
No, ma'am. I just was recently hired.
All right, so he needs to have an immigration attorney as well, and that'll need to be done on September 5th. All right, is there anything else?
Nothing further from the state, Your Honor.
Nothing further from the defendant, right?
All right, Ms. Ferguson, if you'll give them their reset form and then you're excused. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. You're welcome. All right, are we ready on Villegas? All right. Yes. Yes. Oh, sure. Yes.
Just trying to see. if there's any trouble.
Those two, those first thing I said, even if we just do the one track, it's just not enough time left on this probation for them to consider it. I am checking with someone over at Lifetime to
Mhm.
see if they would accept him with the gang status. So I'm just waiting for her to get back to me.
All right.
She's verifying it right now.
We'll wait, because if he can't go to inpatient, then I'm gonna have to revoke you. So they'll see if Lifetime Recovery will accept him inpatient.
Okay, Judge.
All right, so just give us a moment. She's gonna check on that. And counsel, if you want to talk to him about it and explain to him about Lifetime Recovery.
I've explained. Yes, ma'am.
All right, so just give us a moment.
Yes, ma'am.
Who's here? Amanda Christian, and after that, it's gonna be Vanessa Rubio.
I am Judge. On Amana Krishna. And this is the second thing.
All right, so where are we on discovery?
I was waiting to talk to Brittany, but I wasn't able to get to her. I don't recall if at the last setting we did.
Oh, she's right there if you want to get.
Oh,
to her.
no, she was just talking to somebody else. I didn't want to.
All right, well, we'll wait for that.
I just didn't know if we did discovery at the last setting, but as far as I can tell, Judge, we have everything. I mean, it's only a second setting, but I think everything's in.
I don't know.
All
I
right,
mean, I
they're
don't
gonna
know
check.
what I don't know, but it looks like we should have everything.
All right. State, did you tender an offer?
I think we've been conferring about an offer. Yes.
All right, my understanding there is an offer.
Yes.
Norma,
Yes, ma'am.
on Amanda Christian. If you recall this in 30 days, that's their plea deadline date.
I can do that one.
All right, your plea deadline date is going to be September 5th. On that date, you need to let the court know whether you're accepting the offer. After that date, the court will not consider any further plea bargain agreements. Do you understand?
Thank you, Judge. Maybe be excused.
After she signs the reset form.
Yes.
All right, thank you. Who's here? Vanessa Rubio?
The interpreter is here for these other 3 cases that I just put down.
Oh, okay.
They're all in
I'm
jail.
sorry. One more moment on Vanessa Rubio. Thank you.
I'm sorry.
Okay. All right, thank you. So is Jason or Daniel? You are Daniel, duh. Is Jason or Hank? Okay, all right, no problem. No problem. All right, Randy Lopez Benitez. Hello.
Hi, I'm sorry, I was
Oh.
not here.
That's okay, you need the interpreter. Hi, we need the interpreter on this case.
Let me just sit here. I'll just leave it here. Yeah,
Yes, because you haven't, yes.
Where you want.
All right. All right, so my understanding, I guess the federal government is not going to be involved in this.
Yes, Judge.
What happened was we were told this was a very large amount of discovery. We were asked to bring, I guess the big terabyte or whatever.
Mhm.
A couple of weeks ago, 2-3 weeks ago, I took one. Apparently I found out at the beginning of last week that it was corrupted and they couldn't use it. So I have to get a clean one because it's one I had before. And so I'm gonna have to go get another one. I was out Thursday and Friday, and so I didn't have it. Wasn't able to get one. I can go today and I will turn it over to the DA's office this afternoon. And maybe we can have that. My client, from what my understanding is, he says he wants a trial in this matter, and so therefore I just need to get all of that discovery.
All right, and you have an offer, correct?
Yes, Judge.
All right, Ms. Ferguson. On this case, recall this in 2 weeks. And then after that date, we will give you your jury trial date.
Okay, Judge.
And this is your plea deadline date. What date, Ms. Ferguson? Lopez Benitez.
I can do that one August 24th.
All right, your plea deadline date is August 24th. After that date, the court will not accept any plea bargain agreements without good cause. Otherwise, you have to plead open to the court. Do you understand?
Yes, Judge.
Yes, sir.
All right. Is there anything else?
Not on this case, Judge.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, could I see the parties on Juan Carlos Soto Victorino? All right, so again, I'm assuming the feds are not picking this case up either. All right, you have your discovery.
No, Judge.
Why not?
Well, we haven't signed an acknowledgement. I believe we have everything that the state.
All right, and an offer has been tendered, correct?
No, Your Honor. We do not.
All right, Norma, on this case, you all are going to have to confer off docket for your offer. Ms. Ferguson, on this case, set it also for August 24th as their plea deadline date. All right, that's going to be your plea deadline date. The court will not accept any offers after that point. Do you understand?
Yeah, that's fine.
No, do you understand?
See? Yes.
And is your client a citizen?
No, Your Honor.
All right. Have you consulted with an immigration attorney for him?
You have not.
All right, that needs to be done by next setting.
Yes, Your Honor, do that.
Is there anything else?
No, Judge.
All right, thank you.
Judge, and it's Miguel Hernandez's client.
Miguel,
She could be put trial in the back.
all right, you'll come up with your client.
These are the ring call, Judge.
Okay.
Last time.
Yes, no, on, yes.
Yeah.
If you have to come up. All right, counsel, is your client a citizen?
I don't think you. No,
No, I'm not.
All right, are you appointed?
Yes, Judge.
Ms. Ferguson, he needs an immigration attorney. And see if Matt can send someone down now. And your plea deadline date is going to be August 24th. Counsel, did you receive an offer?
Not on this case, Judge. I don't believe.
All right, you'll have to confer off docket to get the offer.
Yes, Judge.
And we're going to come back on August 24th. That will be your plea deadline date. After that, the court will not accept any plea bargain agreements in this case. Do you understand?
I do, Your Honor.
Yes.
All right. All right, thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Keith Davis. All right, today, you can keep him there if it's easier for you, Deputy. All right, Mr. Davis, today is your plea deadline date.
Your Honor, good morning. Frankie Sandoval on behalf of Mr. Davis. Continuing ongoing negotiations with the state, we've received a better offer, Judge, that Mr. Davis would like time to consider, but he also wants to approach the court and ask a question.
What is your question? Well, here's the thing with regards to affidavits. One, if it's presented to me, I will read it, whatever affidavit you file. The affidavit is given to your attorney and it's given to the state. With regards to motions, your attorney will file the motions that your attorney thinks is appropriate in the case. You have an attorney and that is your attorney. You're not the attorney of record. Your attorney is the attorney of record. So the court does not review any of your motions unless your attorney wants the court to hear those motions. Do you understand? All right, this is coming back for jury trial tomorrow. Ms. Ferguson, can you make sure that Mr. Davis is dressed? So tomorrow is your jury trial date and your plea deadline date.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, thank you. And Norma, that's Keith Davis. Mr. Davis, they will bring you brought over dressed in whatever civilian clothing you have at the jail. If you wish to be attired in something else, you need to let your attorney know. And you'll have to sign a clothing exchange. Do you understand? All right, thank you. And then we're going to take up Rubio.
I think they got an answer on it.
Oh, we have an answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, if you'll come forward with your client.
That was pretty fast.
Okay. Probation does great work.
Yes, ma'am.
Small.
And let me just write this in the phone. Yes.
Lifetime does accept people with gang affiliation.
All right, so we're back on the record. In 2021, CR 2745, State of Texas versus Davis Alexander Villegas. Mr. Villegas, Lifetime Recovery will accept you into their inpatient treatment program. So you have a choice. I can sentence you to 1 year in the Bexar County Jail, or I can send you to Lifetime. Which would you prefer?
Oh, what's the wait on the lifetime, ma'am?
What's the wait?
I'll
Up to
take,
2 weeks.
I'll take recovery, man.
All right, see, here's the thing. When people say, what's the wait time? Then that makes me wonder if you're really prepared for recovery. Because if you're really prepared for recovery, the wait time can be whatever the wait time will be. So are you sure this is something you wish to do?
Your Honor, yes. Thank you for giving me the opportunity.
All right. So I'll deny the motion. Alternate amend conditions to include lifetime recovery, defendant is to remain in custody until transported to Lifetime. And I'm going to want a GPS on him. I know they do GPS at Lifetime Recovery. So we're going to do full GPS.
With the court consider waiving fees, Judge, I'm court appointed, and I don't think he's got.
Oh, I'll ask that fees be waived or deferred.
Thank you, ma'am.
All right, is there anything else?
Nothing further from the state here.
Probation is, oh, I'm sorry.
No, from the bench.
Probation, is there anything else he needs?
Your Honor, did you want
want to add in possible UAs?
We'll do the UA hotline until further notice. Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful?
To tell you the truth, I would just like to take whatever is offered within like parenting classes
Oh, I've already ordered that.
or I just want to get my life back on track, man.
Okay. All right, we can go off the record. Lifetime Recovery is going to accept you. Do not bring that gang nonsense to their doorstep. Do you understand?
I understand you.
And if there is any type of issue that occurs where you're bringing drugs to Lifetime Recovery, we're going to have an issue. Do you understand?
I understand you.
All right. All right, good luck
Thank
to
you,
you.
Your Honor.
You're welcome.
Thank you.